In this video, we'll guide you through connecting your Instagram account to CVP Chat. By the end of this video, you'll have everything linked up and ready to go.
Before we start, there's one important requirement you should know. Your Instagram account must be a professional account, either business or creator. If your account is still personal, don't worry. During the login process, Instagram will automatically ask you to switch to a professional account, and you can do that in just a few taps. Now, let's continue. Once you're inside the platform, you'll see your dashboard. To connect your Instagram, click on Open Settings or Connect Now. This will take you to the settings page where you can log in with Instagram. Once permissions are approved, your Instagram account will be successfully connected to CVP Chat. A quick note for mobile users. Make sure you complete the login in your browser. If your phone opens the Instagram app automatically, the connection may fail. On iOS, go to Settings, Safari, and make sure Links open in the browser. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, then change the default link behavior so links open in the browser instead of the app. If you've connected this Instagram account before, you may see a reconnect screen. In that case, simply click Allow. If you want to connect a different account, click the 3 dots at the top and choose Switch Account. Then log in with another username and password. And that's it. You're ready to start using the platform.
CVP Chat, your twin on Instagram.